皆さん、こんにちは。シンガポール在住の中国のビキです。よろしくお願いします。Hi everyone, I'm Vicky. How are you doing? 皆さん、お久しぶりですね。元気ですか？私は元気ですよ。さて、今日は今週の金曜日の、レッスンのアップデートですね。So, let me share my screen and update this Friday's Zoom lesson, okay? はい。Alright. 皆さん、こんにちは。Welcome to Happy Me Like Learning Lab. Alright, so for this Friday's lesson, as always, it is 2 p.m. and 3 p.m. on 27 August. Alright, so please remember it is a Singapore time. Yeah. So next week it is the public holiday for my children, so there won't be lesson. Okay, please do take note. If you have time, please come to join this Friday's Zoom lesson. All right. So for the 2 p.m. session, as always, let's have a little bit of quiz, okay, for something we have learned before, okay? And I'm going to share with you about kanji. Yeah, kanji, this kanji on the screen, kanji, jin, hito, yeah, or nin, okay? And based on someone's request, I would like to share about jikoshokai, okay, jikoshokai, ne? And some related sentence patterns, all right? Hi. Okay, for the 3 p.m. session, so as always, let's have a little bit of quiz about M5 verbs, okay? And this time around, I'm going to share with you how to use particle that, okay? It has so many functions. Yeah, let's learn some common usage for beginner Japanese. All right. Hi. And I will be sharing the related sentence patterns then. Okay, so if you have time, please remember to join on time. All right. So I hope to see you this Friday. All right. If you cannot make it, if you wish to save the recorded lessons, you can consider to subscribe the channel and watch it later. Alright, はい、皆さん楽しみにしていますので、I see you on this Friday ね。Bye bye. Have a great day.